JavaScript's reverse silently mutates your array, breaking immutability and causing bugs. Here's how toReversed avoids mutation entirely with zero side effects. Declares a constant variable named original and initializes it with an immutable reference to a new array containing the numbers 1, 2, and 3 in ascending order. Invokes the non-mutating array method toReversed on the original array, which produces a new array with elements in reverse order while leaving original untouched. Outputs to the console the string original followed by the current contents of the original array variable. Outputs to the console the string reversed followed by the contents of the reversed array variable created in the prior step. Compares the stringified representations of original and reversed using strict equality to assess whether their elements match in value and order. Invokes the mutating array method reversed directly on the original array reference, which reorders its elements in place without creating a new object. Outputs to the console the string after reverse followed by the current state of the originally referenced array after mutation. Used toReversed when you need the reversed array without touching the original, ideal for pure functions and state consistency. Subscribe for daily coding videos that keep your JS skills sharp.